Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace control arm on Ford Fiesta. It will be the same for sedan, hatchback or Fiesta ST. We're working on Fiesta ST that we're building on our main channel, World Mechanics. Check it out in the description below guys. Awesome content there, and we're growing really fast. And today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front left control arm, but it's the same for the front right as well. Alright guys, so first in order to remove and replace that control arm, as you can see, that's where ours is bent pretty bad. We need 18mm socket, and with that 18mm socket, okay, that's the new control arm that we have. And as you can see, there is 3 bolts that keep everything together. One here, and one right here. And now this one right here is with 18mm socket that you need to take off. Okay, just get it loose. Okay, getting that bolt out of there now. Pretty long bolt, Loctite. Okay, thread work right here. And now next you need a 15mm, and you need to go and you need to remove that bolt right here. Okay, and those are usually super tight guys. That's the bolt right here now we're talking about. So this one is pretty inconvenient. As you can see the location there. And it's super tight, but it's going now. Okay, got that one out now. Alright guys, so the sway bar link, ours is disconnected, the tie rod is disconnected, but you don't need to do that. We just need to replace them. That's why we took them off already. But to do the control arm only, the A-frame, you don't need to disassemble as much. Just 2 bolts that we have so far. And now we have that bolt right here with a 15mm, that nut that we need to remove on this side. Okay, right here now. So now, once you get it loose, you need to use a 13mm wrench on the other side, right there, to hold it, because the bolt will be spinning freely, and you need to remove the nut. Okay, nut is out of there. Hit the head somewhere. And of course this one doesn't want to come off, so we need to put the nut back on so we can hit it a few times. If you don't have the nut, you're going to mess up the thread, and you won't be able to use it later. So be just very careful, okay? And the third bolt is out there, almost to the point that we have that control arm out of the way now. It's good to spray WD-40 right here, because it rusted already, even though it has only 4,000 miles. It was exposed to the elements. So if you get a bigger screwdriver between the 2 pieces now, okay, let's see now, it should spread them, that way the bolt, the joint will come out. Yeah, that control arm is bent, that's why it doesn't come out as easy, because it's so bent that it pulls everything sideways, you can see. So now we need to step on it a little bit here, just to relieve the pressure off of it. Oh my goodness. You're holding there. Okay, and it should come out now. And that's the A-frame. Okay, now let's compare both of them, see what kind of damage they did. Okay, you can see it yourself. Pretty bad. It's the same A-frame, the same quality. It's original Ford part for like 60 bucks. So it's not bad at all. Okay, we need the control arm in now. Somehow we need to push it in. Make sure it goes where it's supposed to. Okay, right there. Need to install the two bolts on the back first. And we need to use the thread lock. Okay, big mess right here, all the tools that we got. And before we get the bolts started, we need to have all the bolts in, the two bolts, otherwise you might not be able to get the second bolt after you get the first one tied. Second one in. Gotta make sure they're tight. You see pretty hard time, so make sure we get all the bolts tight. So that will be for today's video, for today's episode. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.